Hi, how are you guys? I hope you're all doing well. So, guys, this is going to be a short video that I wanted to make because you know what? I've heard so many things on on social media about Jamaica, and it's always about Jamaica. I don't know why Jamaica is such an interest of everybody. But anyway, there was this lady talking about how the Jamaicans living on the island now are not the authentic Jamaicans, and that they're not even from West Africa. Well, toodles to you, lady. Wow, you're smart. We know that. We know that. When the man Christopher came by to visit the island, there were people living on there, and they were called the Arawak Indians. Those were the first people, indigenous people living on the island, okay? Because the man Christopher could not discover Jamaica because Jamaica already had residents. They were the Arawak Indians. So we know we Jamaicans are not the authentic folks living there. But this is what they do. They try to deflate Jamaicans because they know Jamaicans are very confident, very full of themselves, very sure of themselves. Jamaicans are special people. It's just what it is. And who don't like it, that's fine. But Jamaicans are special people. They like to be in competition where they're going to win, and they're going to show that they can win and they have what it takes to win. That is what Jamaicans are. Yes, we can be aggressive at times. Oh yeah, we definitely can be. But for the better part, we are very nice, loving people that love people. Don't mess with us though, because we'll come and get you. But apart from that, they are always trying to deflate Jamaicans, to make Jamaicans feel less than they are, when obviously we are superior and we are the best. And that is just it. So what they're doing now is using social media to to get the youth to not be as smart as they should be, because the youth are too invested in this social media era. They're not taking their education as serious as they should, because everybody's on social media now. Social media is a big distraction. People are not being edified, especially the youth. They're not being edified. This social media is not taking them to the place where they should be, and that is excelling. We've got to excel. Jamaica has got to excel so they can compete on the international realm. All other countries take this social media thing very serious with youth. China, a child or a youth cannot just hop on the internet and social media is there and they're on social media. Oh no, that's not how it is. It is banned to a certain level. They can only do to a certain level, and that is it. They have to take their education serious, because without proper education of the youth in the country will demise. You won't be able to compete on the international realm. Everybody's going to go by, and Jamaica is left in the back. So we have to regulate the social media access for youth. They need to spend more time on their education so they can elevate themselves, and in turn in the future elevate the country. Keep the country at the high standard that it is right now, because if not, the youth are the future of the country. And if the youth are in disarray right now and confused, they're totally confused. What's going to happen in the future? Who's going to run the country in the future? They are going to take the country over. That's what they want. They want to take Jamaica over. They want to rule Jamaica. And then the Jamaicans that are living there now are going to be left out in the cold with nothing. So we've got to take a stance now. We've got to get our children educated. And don't be fooled by the social media shenanigan that's going on, and let our youth get so distracted. Reel them in and let them be more in tune with education. Okay? Subscribe to this channel. I love you all. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Okay? Take care now. Adios.